Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is super simple banana muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is one whole egg with half cup of dark brown sugar and quarter cup of peanut oil. We're gonna mix it until completely combined. Then mix in 3 ripe banana. Using a fork, you want to kind of mush it. For the dry ingredients, this is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix it. And now we're gonna mix dry ingredients into wet ingredients or wet ingredients into dry ingredients, whichever, it's up to you. Like so. Using spatula or your balloon whisk, mix them. Then add in half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and sliced almonds and mix them again. Then add in 1 pouch of regular instant oatmeal. This is without flavoring, so just the natural, and mix them again. And now it's ready to be spooned into our prepared paper cup. Scoop it. You can use spoon, it's just much easier for me using ice cream scoop. And just repeat steps until all paper cups is filled. Now they are ready to be steamed for 20 minutes, or you can bake them in oven at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 18 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out from the steamer and take out from the mold. You can serve it warm or cool to room temperature, it's up to you.